Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off or delete accessibility function from our buttons shortcut. So right now, when we press side button and volume up, some accessibility functions will turn on. Let's say we don't want it. We want our default no options, no shortcuts under these keys. So we need to go to settings, then accessibility, next advanced settings. And as you can see right now under our side and volume up keys, we have color inversion and color filter signed up. So we can simply unselect these options, and now we have no functions, no shortcuts under these buttons. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and goodbye.